today we are shoulder to shoulder. All right, today we are gonna give you a tour of downtown Orlando. We are starting at MMA Robinson and going to the Church Street first.
Yeah.
On the weekends they do close the roads because of the bars and restaurants, starting I think 9 p.m. so you cannot drive on these streets. Miracle on Orange always have awesome decorations for the holidays. Settle up, pretty cool bar. This is the place where you can find information about what's going on downtown. You can discover downtown, let's see, from Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now we are headed to Church Street.
Saloon.
From Church Street, we are at the City Hall right now. Right now, from the Church Street, we are here at the City Hall. Across the City Hall, there is a Bohemian Hotel. And right over here is Dr. Phillips Center, when they have events quite often.
So also downtown is Dr. Phillips Center, where they do the performing arts. And actually in the summertime, behind us in the grassy area, they had like a backyard experience. So they had a lot of different bars, they had events going on, so you can come here and hang out. But now they've taken it down because they're getting ready for the next season. This is South and Orange. And this is Julia's favorite hotel, the Bohemian Hotel. So depending on how you get to downtown and what freeway you come from, I-4 or 408, or the city streets. Typically, to know that there's a lot of one-way streets. Roslyn is going north, and that's a one-way, and Orange Avenue is a one-way coming south. So we've seen a lot of people turn and go up the one-ways because they think it's two ways. So there's a lot of one-way streets in downtown Orlando, and it is quite confusing because some of the streets are bus only, and they also dead end just randomly. So Roslyn and Orange Avenue are your two streets to know about. Limo is a free downtown shuttle that has a couple different circuits. So it's free, you can jump on, jump off anywhere, and it is by Lynx, which is the metro here in Orlando. And there's about 3 different loops that it does, and it's completely free because across I-4 is UCF, I think it's the technology campus. So a lot of the students can use that. So if you park downtown, you can definitely take advantage of that and get all around downtown pretty much for free. Sometimes Julia gets really mad. She gets upset easy. Yes.
Just don't push the wrong button.
That's right. So right now she's changing her shoes because she likes to take pictures in high heels. But now we're walking and just use it, put flats on. There are a lot of churches in downtown Orlando. Some are old, some are new, some are Catholic, Protestant, Baptist, and Orthodox. And so it's actually kind of between, what is it, Robinson and South Street, where most of the churches are. Good morning. We continue our tour here in Orlando downtown. Here over here is actually the original Orange County Courthouse. It is now the Orange County Regional History Center here on Washington and Magnolia. And also downtown is the main library here in Orlando. It's on the corner of Magnolia and East Central Boulevard. This library is actually made from concrete, but you can see it kind of looks like wood. But the entire building is made of concrete, and actually inside it's a pretty amazing place, and we'll actually share that with you guys on Instagram.
Right now we're at Lake Eola, the centerpiece of Orlando. Lake Eola hosts Sunday Market every weekend from 9 to 3, and we'll go check it out.
Where are you? This one. Yes, no. This one. Find the coconuts, go up there, just watch him how he does it.
Thank you.
We'll just kind of walk like it.
Yeah, ain't no way around it.
That was our quick tour in downtown Orlando.
So make sure you like and absolutely destroy that subscribe button and keep following us here on Torres Journeys.